Thank you for watching News 24. It is now Thursday, everyone. Thank you again for watching. Well, the latest now on the indictment of former President Trump. You realize that if he is convicted on even some of these charges, he could face up to 20 to 40 years in prison. And if he is found guilty on more than half, he could face up to 100 years in prison. Meanwhile, it's not really hurting him in the polls. In fact, it seems to be helping him and boosting him up. He's still between 30 to 40 points ahead of Florida Governor Ron DeSantis, who's also recently announced he is running for president. Meanwhile, over in the Ukraine and Russia, things are getting tense. In fact, Russian officials said that they are planning a nuclear strike on the United States. That doesn't mean one's going to happen. They always have been saying that. And remember that with Russia, we have an MAD, mutually assured destruction. They launch, we launch, we launch, they launch. And so really, you don't have much of a chance either way. Now we go to the tropics right now. We're looking out into the tropical Atlantic where it looks like we might have a chance for our second named storm of the Atlantic 2023 hurricane season. It's out in the far Atlantic there. And very atypical. We typically don't look at the Cape Verde season until August and September. But this can be the exception, that is for sure. Speaking of weather, well, all eyes are on Oklahoma today and Texas. We could have another bout of severe weather and tornadoes like they had yesterday. And then tomorrow, here in the Mid-Atlantic region, it'll be our turn. We have a chance of some strong storms and possibly rotating thunderstorms. We'll let you know what happens and when it happens on that as well. Well, the pandemic may be over for COVID, but the effects are lingering. From gas prices to staff shortages to restaurants that never reopened after the pandemic, and especially to food prices if you've been to your store. Prices are starting to go down some, but nothing like they were pre-pandemic, and probably will never be like that again. Well, we'll see you back here tomorrow. Have a happy Thursday.